Hello student, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. I hope that you will be fit and fine. And today we are going to be discuss the lecture number 5 of the unit number 1 in 9th class, matter in our surroundings. And today's topic is, can matter change its state? Can matter change its state? Already we have discussed that the state of matter just are three. Matter may exist on the basis of IMS as well as IMF into the three physical state, that is solid, liquid and gas. Just I would like to be memorize little bit that in case of the solid, the intermolecular space will be very negligible, list. The particles are compactly closely arranged to each other into the matter. In case of the liquid, here the IMS is larger, intermolecular space will be the larger as compared to the solid, and in case of the gas there will be huge IMS. So on the basis of IMS and IMF, this matter can change its state. And before understanding how the matter is changing its state, we'll just try to understand the another more important factor, that is the kinetic energy. That is the kinetic energy of these particles. So since in case of the solid, intermolecular space is very small, intermolecular force is very high, so what will happen, these particles will vibrate in a very slow motion, with a very slow motion, and hence its kinetic energy will be less. The kinetic energy of the solid particles, it will be less. In case of the liquid, IMS is greater, intermolecular force is less as compared to the solid, hence what will happen, the kinetic energy, it will be larger as compared to the solid particles. Here in case of the gaseous state, these particles will vibrate in a very large motion, with large motion, and hence it will kinetic energy will be very high. So here we have to understand the gaseous particles are vibrate very fastly, as then solid liquid will just less and solid particles will vibrate very less. On the basis of this, we will understand the effect of temperature as well as pressure on these particles of matter. So first we will just explain the effect of the temperature. What will happen when we just increase the temperature, the particles of these solid will just vibrate fastly, and what will happen then, result it will be the kinetic energy of the particle will increase. The particles of solid will just kinetic energy will increase. Due to this increased kinetic energy, intermolecular force of this particle will increase, उनके बीच में स्पेस बढ़ जाएगा, और ये जो सॉलिड है, दिस सॉलिड स्टेट विल कन्वर्ट और अटेंड द लिक्विड स्टेट ऑफ द मैटर. Again, if we just increase the temperature, then what will happen, the kinetic energy of this liquid particle will again increase, IMS will increase, and this liquid will attain the gaseous state. Means यदि हम टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाते हैं, काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ेगी, पार्टिकल के बीच में इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस बढ़ेगा, सॉलिड विल अटेंड द लिक्विड स्टेट, लिक्विड विल अटेंड द गैसियस स्टेट. रिवर्सली, यदि इसके अपोजिट, यदि हम टेम्परेचर को घटाते हैं, यानी मैटर को हम क्या करेंगे, कूल करेंगे, तो जो गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, गैसियस पार्टिकल्स हैं, जिनकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होगी, घटेगी. काइनेटिक एनर्जी घटने की वजह से इंटरमॉलिकुलर स्पेस घटेगा, और ये गैसियस स्टेट विल अटेंड द लिक्विड स्टेट. अगेन इफ वी जस्ट कूल द particularly liquid matter, so what will happen, again kinetic energy of these molecules, particles will decrease, intermolecular space will decrease, and this liquid state will attain the solid state. Yani it is the effect of the temperature on the vibration of the particles of the matter. Due to that, IMS will increase or decrease, and particular state of matter will change into each other. If we say the effect of the pressure, so what will happen, here in case of the gaseous molecules where the kinetic energy is very high and IMS is very large between these particles, so when we just compress the gases, what will happen, this gaseous molecule will come to close to each other and will just IMS will increase and this gaseous system will attain the liquid state, and this process is called as liquefaction of gases। यानी यदि किसी गैस के ऊपर हम लोग प्रेशर लगा करके, प्रेशर को अप्लाई करके यदि गैस को लिक्विड स्टेट में चेंज कर देते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द लिक्विफैक्शन। सो हियर इट इज द process of the conversion of the one state of matter into another state। So if we just say in a summary, so this solid will convert into the liquid and this conversion is called as melting or fusion। At the same time similarly हम लोग समझते चलते हैं what is the melting और what is the fusion। One question is coming into the 9th class, what is the melting or fusion। So the process of conversion of this solid into the liquid is called as melting। The process of conversion of this liquid into the gaseous state or the vapor state, it is called as the boiling or we can say vaporization also at the same time। यदि इसके पीछे चले, रिवर्स चले, so the process of conversion of gas into the liquid is called as condensation, and the process of conversion of liquid into the solid, it is called as the freezing। So melting, boiling, condensation and freezing, but into the some process where solid state not attending the liquid state is not attending, directly solid is converting into gaseous phase। Generally what happens when we just convert the state of matter, so in general process solid first will convert into liquid, liquid will first convert into the gas, but into the some special process where the solid directly converting into the gas do not attending the liquid state, and this process is called as the sublimation। यानी what is the sublimation? It is the process of direct conversion of solid into the gas without attending the liquid state, and the example of this sublimation, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl and dry ice। dry ice को हम लोग solid carbon dioxide को कहते हैं, just dry ice। and the direct conversion of gas into the solid state, it is also called as the deposition, where it will be the example of the dry ice। कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को हम लोग प्रेशर लगा करके डायरेक्टली सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। दिस वन इज नॉट अटेंडिंग द लिक्विड स्टेट। सो दीज आर द स्पेशल प्रोसेसेस इनटू द सीरीज ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ मैटर। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन है, उसको अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे। तब तक आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, अपने नोट्स को, अपने असाइनमेंट को बनाइए और हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पे आप कॉन्टैक्ट करते रहिए। आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर यू ऑल टाइम।